All right. So one of the first questions for the Q&A this week was from a student who's doing composition of functions and having to add functions together and subtract them and multiply them. And so this one is addition. So let's take a look at this. So we have two functions here, the first one and the second one, g of x and h of x, and we are supposed to add them together. And so you want to keep it as simple as you can. You're substituting g of x with what it's equal to. In this case, it's equal to x cubed plus 2x. And then you substitute h of x with what it's equal to, 2x minus 3. So I bring down the plus sign, and then I put what h of x equals 2x minus 3. And then you're just combining like terms, right? There's no other x cubed, so we just bring it down. There's an x term and another x term. 2x plus 2x is 4x. And then there's a -3 at the end, nothing to combine there. So this is the composition of those two functions when we have to add them together. That's it. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.